Today we will learn about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in a village called Karamsad in Khera district of Gujarat. His family was well known for its patriotism since his father Jhabir Bhai Patel had taken part in the mutiny of 1857 by joining the army of Rani of Jhansi. He worked hard, studied law, and passed his exams with flying colors. He started practicing law. He had planned to go to England for higher studies, but instead in 1905 he sent his elder brother Vittal Bhai to England, financing his studies. Vallabh Bhai was married and by this time he had two children. In 1909, his wife became seriously ill and died. He put his children in a boarding school and went to England in 1910 at the age of 36 to pass his barrister's degree. He became a barrister and returned to India in 1913. Back in India, he came in contact with Mahatma Gandhi, who had a strong influence on him. He abandoned his flourishing practice without hesitation and joined the freedom struggle. From 1916 to 1945, he took part in several andolans and satyagrahas led by Mahatma Gandhi, including the famous Dandi Salt March and the Quit India movement. Like Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders at that time, he too was imprisoned several times by Britishers. During this time, in Bardoli district, Gujarat, the British had imposed an increase in the rent paid by the farmers in order to till the land. Believing this increase to be unreasonable and unjust, the farmers united under Vallabhbhai leadership and thus he was given the title of Sardar, meaning leader. In 1947, when India got her independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the Home Minister. He had a tremendous task ahead of him. Under the British, there had been numerous small independent princely states, and the task before him was now to bring these states into the Union. It required tremendous tact and wisdom, as some of the states, notably Hyderabad and Junagadh, did not want to join the Union. However, Sardar Patel's untiring effort eventually brought unity to the country. The resolving and firmness he tackled this issue earned him the title Iron Man of India. On December 15, 1950, Sardar Patel died of cardiac arrest in an unprecedented and unrepeated gesture on the day of after his death. More than 1,500 officers of India's civil and police services gathered to mourn at his residence in Delhi and place complete loyalty and unremitting zeal in India's service. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And please wait for upcoming videos on freedom fighters of India. Thank you.